Guys, we are going to make a quick design, an example boat in TinkerCAD. We'd started this previously, but we're going to go from start to finish for our friends who might be missing out on some class. So in the bottom right, go ahead and click on Edit Grid. We're going to change this to inches. Then make this one popsicle stick wide, 4.5 inches, by 2 popsicle sticks long, 9.0 inches. Go ahead and press Update Grid. All right, once you've done that, on the right hand side, go to Everyday Objects. So click on Basic Shapes, then Everyday Objects. Then click on Popsicle Stick, drag that over. Okay. Now with that selected, go ahead and click Duplicate. Once you've done that, drag that new popsicle stick over. Then press Duplicate again, the upper left. Drag that one over. Then duplicate again, and you can see it's recognized the pattern, so just keep clicking, duplicate, and fill up that entire work plane. All right, now go ahead and press W. Place it on top of the popsicle sticks that you've laid down. Click a new popsicle stick, drag that one over. Now we're going to rotate this one 90 degrees. So with it selected, you should see this curved arrow at the bottom. Go ahead and rotate that, click and drag to 90 degrees. Then you're going to drag this over to the edge of our raft. Click on that, press duplicate, drag a second one over like that. All right, duplicate again, drag another one over like that. Duplicate again, drag a fourth one over just like that. Not too bad. All right, we also know that this raft is not going to hold together very well. We get a weak point in the center, so we're going to add two more. Click on the popsicle stick, duplicate, drag over something like that. One more, and drag it over so it's approximately right there. These don't have to be perfect. Okay, looks like a raft that would stick together. Go back to the right hand side, Everyday Objects, Basic Shapes. Now we're going to click on Cylinder. This is going to be the mast of our basic boat. Click on the white box right there, 0.25 inches by 0.25 inches. Okay. Now let's move this to the side temporarily because we want to make sure it's centered. Go ahead and click and drag everything on your raft so far. Click on Group in the upper right. Okay, now our raft is one big object. We're going to go ahead and select everything now, including our new mast. Then we do a line in the upper right. Now I'm going to press this center one only. Oh, and then this one over here as well. Okay, now our mast is aligned to the center of our raft. Go ahead and click on the mast again. Now click on this white box. We're going to make this 6 inches tall. Okay, zoom out by scrolling on the wheel of your computer mouse. Then we can rotate a little bit, take a better look at this thing. All right, next thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and group everything. So click and drag. Click Group. All right, then on the right hand side, go to from Basic Shapes to Everyday Objects. Click on Popsicle Stick, drag that over. All right, zoom in a little bit. Now you should see a curved arrow on the left hand side here. Click on that one. Okay, it's going to let us manually change the angles to make that 90. Just want to set it on its side. All right, then go ahead and drag this guy up with the black cone. And we're going to just position it directly onto the mast like that. All right, let's see if we can center it. There we go. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. So with it still selected, press duplicate. Now click on the black arrow and drag all the way up. Looks like we're almost done. Very good. Go ahead and press W on your keyboard. We're going to place the work plane on top of this popsicle stick. There we go. Now go back from Everyday Objects to Basic Shapes. We're going to click on this rectangle. Go ahead and drag that over the cube. All right, we want to change this to a different color so it looks more like a mast, or more like a sail, excuse me. Go ahead and click on solid, and then let's make it white. And then we're just going to drag this over. It doesn't need to be perfect. Drag it over like that, and then we're going to click on this black box and drag it upwards. I'm trying not to zoom out too much. All right, we rotate a tiny bit by holding down on the right button of the mouse. Then we click on this white box right here, and we're just going to make it 1/8 of an inch. And we're done. Let's press W and select, well, we won't select the entire thing. There we go. Let's go ahead and, oh, looks like we've gotten away from the surface. There we go. All right, so go ahead and we're gonna rotate and then take a screenshot. So on Windows, it should be Shift Windows S to take a screenshot. But take a screenshot from the side right here. If you click on left on the box, it should let you take a good screenshot. And once you've taken a screenshot, Shift Windows S, then go to this file under our bridge project, and then we're just going to go ahead and copy and paste Control V or File, and there should be, or maybe it's Insert, Control V, paste your image right here. And then the final thing to do is go to export.stl. That will download a file of your bridge. We're going to upload that to the Microsoft Teams assignment. All right, that's it for now. See you guys back in class. Good job.